How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I'm back here with the FullTang Tactical Kit Bag, and it has been over 2 years since I have been using this specific kit bag. And I want to talk about 2 years of use with it. How has it been? How has it stood up? Is it worth the money? That kind of stuff. So getting back to the original premise, I like having a pistol up front, especially when I'm carrying a backpack, because if I want some kind of protection on me that is a pistol and I'm carrying a pack, it eliminates so many different locations where you can carry it. Can't carry it in your belt, can't carry it on the arm. You know, okay, where else do you put it? Your chest. This is what I've found out that works really well. And I originally used the Hill People Gear Recon chest rig. I used that for several years, but it just didn't do everything I needed it to. I eventually found this, which is FullTang Tactical. This is their kit bag, and it's excelled and been really well for me. Like, the modularity of this kit bag has really set itself apart from other, you know, performers or other companies and stuff like that, because you get to kind of choose how this thing is outfitted. Myself, just right now, I have 2 pistol mags on each side. And then on the bottom, I have a I have the Faro Concepts Mini Dangler, which this is like a full medical pack or IFAK. And then below, I have the HRT hand warmer. And then typically what I do is I put a Grail Ultra Press in there, which is in there right now, which is a nice place to hold it. And it keeps it from freezing too, which also you can take this out and then you put your hands in there and, you know, get warm. But the signature thing about this is it has a pass-through in the back, and that what allows, of course, all these pouches to dangle off of it, like the mini dangler and stuff like that. You can Velcro different pouches in to this kit, including this pass-through, which I have an admin pouch in it right now, and I just have like a small survival kit, notepad, a couple other items in here at the moment. But you can put like a magazine, 3-piece magazine carrier in here too. So you can run an AR if you want with this kit. You can not even use this pouch. You can make it flat to make it very thin to you. It's just, there's a ton of different options, and that's the benefit of this. And that's why I've gravitated to it. So over 2 years, what's good and what's bad about it? So the good things, stitching is absolutely amazing. Like, I have drugged this thing through so much stuff that I am surprised it's still standing here today. Like, you can see the wear on, you know, the top zipper, which these are waterproof zippers. I'm finally starting to wear it out, right? And I wouldn't say even wear it out, it's just wearing in, I guess you could say. It's all discolored and everything because I've crawled on the ground in multiple different states and locations around the United States in this kit, and it's performed really well. Also, before I start talking very highly of this bag, I have a somewhat relationship with FullTang Tactical. I speak to them. I was so impressed with this pack, I reached out and I just wanted to talk to them. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. I don't make any money. If you buy 100 or 200 of these packs, I'm not gonna receive any kickbacks from it. I'm not gonna receive any money. So it's the beneficial part of this channel is I'm independent and I can say whatever I want. I have no agenda. So when I'm talking good about a product, that is genuinely me saying I like this product, you can trust me. At least I hope you trust me from years worth of YouTube videos that I've been doing and many subscribers. Okay, aside from that, let's dive back into this kit, right? What's the benefits of it? Like I said, it has that back piece that allows you to do stuff. The stitching is amazing. Now, a lot of people kind of are hesitant on the one pouch kind of setup, but you can get a divider. So the divider is a Z fold, as you see, it goes in here. You can reverse it too. It's all hook and loop, and it allows you for your pistol to be back here and then other items to be up front. Or you can flip it and however you want. So when it's on your chest, you can open this up, grab your pistol, and then utilize it appropriately. But if you don't need to use the pistol just kind of hangs out in there, and then you can grab compass, flashlight, or what other items that you particularly want. That's the cool thing about it. So 2 years later, like I said, I've had no failures of this at all, and I'm going to keep pushing this. This is the Gen 1. This is the original one that they made. They are already on, I think, 2, and they keep making minor upgrades to make things better. Not saying that the old one is bad, because clearly this thing's still standing here, and it's made it through me in 2 years worth of craziness, but ultimately it's been really good. So I would say if you do put your money towards something like this, it's going to last a long time. It's going to be beneficial. It works. I am continually going to use this. I still use this. I use this all the time. This goes in my pack with me wherever I go. If I go hiking, this goes with me. If I go out filming, like I am now, this goes with me. So ultimately, this thing is really great. I mean, I have no complaints. The straps are amazing. This is way better than other stuff out on the market. It's modular, so you can move it up and down for your height, weight. Same with the backside. You can tear this off and you can put your own placards and stuff on there, or your own backers if you want. The sides are moverable, so if you're like a bigger guy or smaller, or however you want to run it, it's really impressive in my opinion. 2 years later, still using it, which is really rare because I normally swap a lot of my gear out. A lot of this stuff tends to swap out over time, but this thing has hung in there really well, and I'm actually fairly impressed with it. So I just wanted to give you an update. I'm still using it. It's still trucking along great. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can go find one of these. Again, I don't make any money off of it, so you can circumvent my link even though I don't make any money. It's just some people are paranoid about that stuff. They've been lied to a lot on YouTube, myself included. So I do my absolute best to be transparent and show you, like, hey, this is the real deal. I'm not lying here. Like, I mean, if I was, it's illegal. so that's kind of a big deal that I can't do that. I don't want to get, you know, hemmed up with all that nonsense. But going off on a side tangent. So yeah, I agree with it. I like it. I'm going to continue running it. There's tons of videos of me using it, so I highly recommend it. So other than that, we have PayPal, Patreon, all that kind of stuff. Patreon gets behind the scenes stuff that you get to see before anything comes out. I talk to a lot of folks there. I get ideas. People talk to me about specific things, you know, two-way communication for the most part. Comment section helps out a lot too, but like and subscribe works amazing too. So other than that, I hope y'all have a great day.